Alright, well, this is my second Milwaukee Blower video. I'm going to use it, but I'm going to talk about something that is not Milwaukee. Now, the Milwaukee Fuel Blower, I had to put a larger battery on there because I had the smaller M18 batteries, meaning the smaller amp hour batteries, and it consumed the battery before I finished what I wanted to do: garage, porch, and driveway. Also, I didn't like the opening at the end. It was just an opening. Yes, I have my gas can there because I was going to make a joke that they called it fuel. What fuel means is a brushless motor. So it's really kind of weird. Milwaukee Fuel, the word fuel, which I associate with gasoline or something like that, diesel, kerosene, whatever, wood. Anyway, has nothing to do with the product. Fuel is a brand name for a brushless motor. That means anytime you see fuel with a Milwaukee product, it means it's using a brushless motor. The fuel is electrons from the battery, and you charge the battery probably from a coal-fired plant. So that's that. Well, anyway, on the end here, you see it's just a round end. Let me move that. So in my original video, I really didn't like the end being round like that. It works. Hey, it's not a fail. It's perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with it. But I wanted something else. I wanted a nozzle. So here we have a nozzle. And it looks like the seller used a printer to manufacture it. There's no mold lines on it, so it wasn't molded, and kind of feels like he just used a 3D printer to manufacture this, and it's really nice. Fits on there well. Let me put it on. Fits on there very tight, doesn't move it. You can turn it up or down, whichever way you need it. I like it like that because it's like the Husqvarna 125B that I've been using for many years, that I replaced with this electric one that uses fuel from a power plant to run the brushless motor. But anyway, so we're gonna give this a shot. If you look at my original review of this product, I kind of mentioned that it needed a nozzle, so I hunted one down, and I found this guy on Etsy. Tech Swap, he calls himself, TEKSWAP, and he sold this to me for, oh, I have the packing list, not the receipt, so I think it was like 18 bucks. It was really not expensive at all. It might even been less than that. I should look it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate this nozzle. Geode was out on my driveway, leaving little geodes on the ground that I'm going to blow away. And we're going to go out there and take care of him at the end of the driveway. So in case you didn't know, geode, you know, is kind of like a dog. They just go to the bathroom wherever they are, and they don't mean anything by it, you know, they just go. And it's kind of annoying in the fact that, you know, if you step on it and it gets stuck on your shoe and you bring it into the house, you know, you kind of get yelled at for tracking all that in. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the end of the driveway and kind of blow off the geode droppings out of the way. So I'm going to get the Milwaukee blower out here, and we're going to see how the nozzle that I purchased off of Etsy works against the geode droppings. Alright, let's see how this nozzle does against the geode droppings. unlike me, looks like everybody's going to work, so that's like 2 cars that went through this video. I'm just gonna leave it in there. Well, anyway, so I really like this nozzle. It improves the blower tremendously. I'm really surprised Milwaukee left it open like that. But anyway, I'm glad someone's found a little niche and is making a little money. Excellent. I highly recommend it. Good job. Thank you for watching.